guys, how are you? I think all are doing good, and I welcome you in my first ever video, which is related to the Java, which is the one of the programming language. So let's first I introduce myself. My name is Sanika, and from today we are going to start with a Java language. From basic, we will reach toward the advanced Java. So we are going to start with one simple thing in this video. That is how we can create one project, how we can create one class, how the name of it is decided as per the company standard. For it, you need to firstly install the Eclipse. So first, install the Eclipse in your PC laptop and then only start with the video. Now, we are going to create one project. So you need to see over here, many options are given here. So you need to click on a file, then go through the new option. You will see multiple options provided over here. If there is a Java project is given, then click on it directly. Otherwise, you can go on other. Here you can see Java project. If it's not visible now also, then you can search over here as a Java project. You will see the Java project. Okay, then click on it. Click the new next option. Now one window is displayed over here that it is asking for the project name. So this is our first project. So I will write the name of it as a first project. Here you have to start the project name with the capital letter, as well as you have to start the class name with a capital letter only. Now let's finish this project. Here you can see our first project is a bill. Now we can see it, but sometimes the package explorer is not available over here, or by mistake we remove it, we cancelled it. So for once again seeing our project explorer, you need to go through the window option. Then there will be the show view. You can see inside it many multiple options are provided. Here you can see the package explorer is also provided and shortcut for it to open is also given. So you need to click on the package explorer, so it will be displayed over here. Now here you can see our first project which we created. Click on it, you will see two things, that is one is a system library and second one is a source, which is a SRC. Now on a SRC, click the right button of your mouse, go through the new option. You will see here multiple, once again the options are provided. Click on a class and here give the class name whatever you want. So as I said you, here also you are going to write the class name which is start with a capital letter. It doesn't matter, then you start with a small or a capital letter, but as per the company standard, you have to write the class name with a capital letter only. Secondly, here you can write the package also. There is a way to write a package, but as the concepts come over in the future, I will tell you that how the package will be written correctly. Now you have to only choose the public static void main, that's it. Other nothing have to do here, okay? Nothing to do here. Now click on a finish. Here you can see one simple class is generated. If I once again repeat all the steps, so you have to click on a file, then new, go toward the other option, Java project. Here you have to provide the one of the project name, whatever you have to given. Then once you have provide the, sorry guys, let's say recorrected that project, then enter. The Java project is created over here. Go on SRC, right click, new, click on a class, give some class name, okay, whatever you want, you can give, and then select the main and finish over here. That's it. These much things which we have learned today. Only the rules you have to remember. Project name should be start with a capital letter. means it is a camel case. Secondly, the class name also should be start with a capital letter as per the company standard. That's it. It is a very easy to how we can create a project. Now, from the next video, we are going to see that how we can do the different tasks, or we can perform the different tasks, okay, which are related to the Java only. From basic, we are going to start. So meet you in the next video. Keep consistent with the study. If you have any doubt related to these simple steps also, you can, nothing to hesitate, you can ask in a comment box. Okay. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.